In this video, I'm gonna partner up with my best friend and make money from literally nothing, not even a coin, but just using a phone and an internet connection. I'm gonna show you the exact step by step on what we do to actually do this, so make sure you keep watching this video till the end. So what are we going to do? We are actually going to do dropshipping, but not the typical AliExpress and Shopify dropshipping. We're going to do it differently. So what are we gonna do? What we're gonna do is basically sell these t-shirts which we design on Facebook Marketplace by using a local print-on-demand service. And we will be using the dropshipping method, that is without having any inventory or stocks. Please do like this video now. Like it. First of all, how do I know that Facebook Marketplace has a big potential? So 3 months ago, I posted a job about my personal driver and there are more than 70 plus applications. So more than 70 people in my city, in my locality is interested to drive for me. And the same thing happened when I was posting a job for video editor for my e-commerce business, and when I do that, I got more than 50 plus applications. So more than 50 people are willing to do video editing for me, and that's how I know Facebook Marketplace has a big potential. And so me and my best friend partner up to sell t-shirts on Facebook Marketplace using the dropshipping business model. So step number one, what do we actually do? Design the t-shirt. It's very simple. We just use our phone, download an app to edit photos, and then we create the design. There is no specific skills required to do this. It's just a simple app with a simple user interface which anybody can use. So I think any photo editor on the App Store or Play Store will work. So after discussing for about 30 minutes, we come up with 3 different t-shirt designs. The first t-shirt design says Inat Kansi, which means let's protect our culture in our local language. The second one says Nupi Mawa Logde, which means I don't give a damn about girls. And then the third t-shirt design says Badohai, which represents the emoji. So those are the 3 t-shirt designs we come up with, and we design them using a photo editing app on our phone. Step number 2. This step is not necessary, but we decided to do it to make it look more convincing. So we use a plain white t-shirt to do a photo shoot, and what we do is we basically click the photo. You can use your phone to do it, and then we add the design we created on the photo we just used. We play with the opacity, the blending a bit to make it look convincing, to make people think that we are actually wearing the t-shirt. If you don't want to do this, you can simply download a t-shirt from Google and add the design you created. It's that simple, but we just want to make it a little more convincing. This doesn't require any Photoshop skills or anything. You can do this basically from your phone. It's very simple. So step number 3 is to actually find the print-on-demand service. There are lots of print-on-demand service in my city and my locality. So what I did is I posted on my WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook story asking people if they know any print-on-demand service. So there are a lot of replies, and I have to reach out to them and then see at which price they can offer the t-shirt with the printing as well. So we are able to get the t-shirt for 250 rupees, which is around $3.50, and we plan to sell it for 400 rupees, which is $5.5. So it's just a $2 profit, but things are not gonna work this way in New York. You can't get a t-shirt printed for $3.5. So what you have to do is, I can't guide you here, you have to do your own math, your own monetary stuff, because based on the place you live, you have to find it, sell it. For example, in New York, you can get it for $10 and sell it for $19, or maybe get it for $14 or sell it for $24.99, something like that. I'm not sure because I am not sure. So after we find the printing service and after we do the math on how much we're gonna sell and stuff, the last step is to actually sell the t-shirt. And it's very simple. We just have to go to Facebook Marketplace and then post the listing. We just have to write the price, a description, post the photos, and that's it. So after we post the t-shirt, people text us on Facebook and WhatsApp asking for it, and we have to reply and ask them their address and whether they will like us to deliver or whether they want to come and pick the t-shirt up. And if they want us to deliver, we have to charge extra money for that. And it's that simple. And once we close the deal, what we have to do is we have to order the t-shirt from the local print-on-demand service. Then we have to take the t-shirt from them in 2 or 3 days and deliver to the customer in 3 or 4 days. We have to pack the t-shirt, put it in something, write down their name, the address on a piece of paper, put it inside the box, and just wait for them to come and tag. Sometimes we use local delivery service to whom we can pay around 50 rupees to deliver the product, and then we can charge 60 rupees from the customer, keeping a profit of around 10 rupees in the delivery. So not gonna lie, it's actually that simple to sell things on Facebook Marketplace, and if you want to know the numbers, this is how much each t-shirt do. Okay, so in around a week, the posting of the Inat Kansi t-shirt, it actually make 14 sales. The Nupi Mawa Laude t-shirt, it makes 0 sales, and the last one, the emoji t-shirt, it makes 1 sale. So in around a week, we sell 15 t-shirts worth 6,000 rupees, which is approximately $82, and we make a profit of 2,250 rupees, which is around $31. So $31 in profit in a week, which is not bad in Indian. Fun fact, in 2005, my mom was making $10 in a month. So that's just one idea on how to make money using Facebook Marketplace, but I'm not going to tell you that that is the only way you can do. My girlfriend actually comes up with a very creative way to make money on Facebook Marketplace. What she does is she will buy these chains, these beads, these small stones to make jewelry, and when she makes a jewelry, it will cost her around 150 rupees, which is around $2, and she will sell it for around 600 rupees, which is around $8. The purpose of this video is to show you the power and potential of Facebook Marketplace, which is a market where you can go and start selling today. Sell anything you want. You just have to taste different products or different designs of something to find which works for you, but then when something works, you can sell like crazy in Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, if you are interested in this kind of video, leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll be doing more videos on how to make money from zero with my best friend, with my girlfriend, or my whatever, and then I'll be making more videos on it and show you the step-by-step process on how we actually do everything. Once again, thank you for watching up to the end of this video. I hope you get some value from it. Please do like this video now, like it. Also guys, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this and about money, business and stuff. And thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life. Peace.